Yeah. It's hurricane out. Everyone else sleeping. But we going out. We're gonna see if we shoot one. Youth day. Let's go.
Well, we're riding around looking for deer. Chase don't want to walk anywhere, so we're kind of limited. Alright, we're gonna keep riding around, see if we can get on something. What are our chances, Jay?
Not good.
Not good. Alright. We haven't seen a lot of food around here. Looks like some scrub oaks are in here. But there's a soybean field back in here. We're just gonna slip back in here and see if we can find something. It'll come out. Take your time. Take your time. You can slide over my way. Slide over my way. Slide over my way. Oh. Here. Shot him. Yeah. Be ready. There could be another one.
I should have shot him.
My heart's pounding. Are you pumped? Could you not shot him running right through there?
I could have, but I was about to shoot him right there.
I told you I heard something get up. I was right. Whew, man,
I can't believe he didn't stop.
that was like a 6-pointer.
Yeah. It was like a goofy looking one. I was about to get to right here, and then he got up.
Whole bunch of them.
I was so close.
Wind's perfect.
Can we go that way and try to get him?
I doubt it.
Yeah.
That was like eight deer or more. Well, we just had our first good opportunity of the day. We had
I was 2 steps away from shooting him.
quite a few does just came through there, and then a little forked up 6-pointer came up behind them, and Chase was real close to getting a shot off, but we just couldn't get a shot. So we got the wind in our favor. We're gonna keep pushing up. Getting up and moving. Oh, Joey, he don't believe in public.
Nope.
He could have shot today.
Yep.
Chase could have shot. We're set up on this road. We're taking a little break. I'm gonna give it a few more minutes and then I'm gonna start heading back to that soybean field, see if I can bump something. I ain't waiting around. Getting after him. We're up Looking pretty good. Me and Chase kind of got off in the thick stuff. Look at this stuff. It might have been the most horrible terrain I've ever been through. And now we're gonna go shoot a deer.
No.
Right? We ended up scouting our way back to the truck, but we weren't able to come up with anything the rest of the day. But overall, pretty good day of hunting. Alright, let's break down hunt 4 of the season. You know, typically we do pretty good on youth season. How many years in a row have we shot something on youth season? One?
Because 2 years ago we were on the ground blind. We sucked and it was raining. Last year was pretty good. One last year.
Yeah, so we're struggling at this point of the season. We've had 5 opportunities to shoot deer. I've missed 2 with my bow.
1/4 mile, turn right onto
Chase.
Buffalo Road.
Well, you've already seen what happened in today's video. I won't even talk about that one.
That's not even that bad.
He had 8 deer at 25 yards with a high-powered rifle.
Running.
And
That's all
they
I'm saying.
stopped several times.
No, they did not. There was,
Which you can see that on the video because it did happen.
yeah, one did stop, but his vitals were behind the trees, so that's all we'll say.
And then we ended up going through this jungle, and I mean,
That
got
was your
tore all to pieces.
That was your fault.
Got absolutely tore all to pieces.
That was
So,
your fault.
yeah, I mean, our main spot today we couldn't go to because of the weather, so we ended up going south to a new game management area, and they were running dogs, so probably won't go back there.
No, I'll only go down.
I don't really like the terrain there. There's too many pines. I like having the white oaks and more diversity in the hills. So, yeah, we've been holding out on our main spot, but we didn't get to hunt it today. So maybe we'll get an opportunity here soon to do something. We've got some good spots lined up with a bow, so maybe we can get something done. Maybe we'll head to another new game management area in the morning. I don't know yet. We'll see. But see you on the next episode. We're 0 for 5 right now.